Stay connected on your trips with Superhero eSIM. Let's walk through the process of activating your Superhero eSIM so you can enjoy seamless connectivity anywhere you go in 5 simple steps. Make sure your device is eSIM compatible, network unlocked, connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Let's dive into how to install an eSIM using a manual method. Step 1. Purchase a plan. Start by purchasing your eSIM on our website or app. Once you're done, open the Superhero app, go to My eSIMs. Tap Install Your eSIM button. Go to Manual Instructions. Step 2. Copy activation code. You'll see an activation code on your screen. Copy the activation code. Step 3. Go to Settings. Tap on Network and Internet. Tap on SIMs, then tap Add eSIM. Set up an eSIM window appear. Tap Set up an eSIM. It'll take a while for network information. Tap Try Troubleshooting Steps. On the next screen, tap Enter it manually. Activation code screen will appear. Paste the activation code you have copied from Superhero app. Tap Continue. It'll take a while for checking network information. Step 4. Set up your eSIM. Set up your eSIM window will appear. Tap Setup. Wait a little while. Activate your eSIM window appear. Tap Settings. Tap eSIM. Tap Edit icon on top right corner. You can change the name to Superhero eSIM. This keeps your regular SIM and travel eSIM separate. Step 5. Now that you have arrived at the destination, tap eSIM with an active status. Toggle Use SIM. If your device is a single SIM, it'll ask you to switch to eSIM. Tap Switch to Superhero eSIM. Once done, turn on mobile data. Turn on data roaming at the bottom. Superhero eSIMs come with international roaming data, so you have to turn on roaming in order to use the data. Congratulations, start using your data with Superhero eSIM. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Superhero. Got questions? Just ask. Our customer support team is always available to help you make the most out of your trip. Get ready for your next adventure with Superhero eSIM. Stay connected and explore the world, hassle-free.